Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to customize a 404 error page on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have all of your sites in one place. We have the setup, home. We also have the settings, the design site in the bottom left corner, which will get you to your editor. And of course, we have the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and customize a 404 error page on Wix. So first of all, you need to go and follow these few steps. So click on the pages icon located at the top left corner of the editor. To the editor, you're going by clicking on design site and you will pop out like this. Then next to the main pages, click the add new page icon. After that, when you added a new page, you can go and click add the pages here. As you can see, we have add sections, add elements, add pages and menus. Then create the new content for your 404 page. Then select the URL slug to /error 404 and toggle off let search engines index this page. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.